Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add the screen place animation effect in CapCut PC. So you can find the screen place animation after you add clips. So for instance, I'm just going to add dust images. So select clip and select animation, and you can select in or out, and uh, in this animation you can find the screen place. So just click on it and you can adjust the duration and apply it to the clip. So you can see for the result, and you can combine with effect. So just select effect and for example, so yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.